That'd be good. Dude, this place is a disaster. Come on, Mojo. Come on, everywhere. Oh. Girl. Look, are you coming? It looks like a spooky. Like, turn the game off. What a bird. It's bird. I do not know what they're doing. Oh, dear. Oh, that's cool. He's going on a stuff. Our mission isn't over. Oh, there's more. It's on the outside. Look at the big difference. Look. Fresh. Hold on, hold on. You should go in there, close the stall, and then open it. And then like what? And like someone would open it, and then and then scream, Miranda, come here. Miranda. No, Miranda, come here. Come on. Come on. I'm sorry.